Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send gifts to someone in Bigo Live. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Bigo Live application. Make sure you are logging to your Bigo Live account. Now tap on the chat option. Select the person that you would like to send gifts. To send gifts to someone in Bigo Live, tap on the gift icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now select the gift that you would like to send and then tap on the send button. In order to send gifts to someone in Bigo Live, you need to have enough balance. And this is how you can send gifts to someone in Bigo Live. Thanks for watching Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.